Hello guys, good morning. Walking tayo. Magandang exercise din ang walking. Dahil napapalakas yung natin mga legs saka cardio siya. Good for the heart. Kaya guys, always exercise and eat healthy foods para healthy ang life. Eat healthy food, exercise, tsaka konting diet para maganda, stay in shape yung body. Huwag niyong wawalain yung exercise, eat healthy food, tsaka yung diet para maganda yung takbo ng buhay. Kailangan balance yung lahat. Exercise, may diet, saka kumain ng sustansya pagkain. Samahan niyo ako guys sa fitness journey ko to become physically fit, mentally fit. Disiplina lang sa sarili.